out there, you know, because I see them interview city Jamaica. Cover me father.
Yeah, I mean I say, if you look a small message, what me I make, so me I say, I always 10 to 1 people. That's what me I say. Yeah. I always 10 to 1 people about people and be careful of certain people where you push up in it. That's what me I say. Me not turn nobody against nobody and me not put nobody against nobody. But there's some people, especially some people who have vehicles, be careful of them people, brother. Try not beg them to drive. Try now. Go on like you want to even up with them. Because deep inside, the body language I show you already. So them don't really want to even up with you. They might talk up to you and smile to you, but them are fuckery. Deep inside, I evil them, I dopey them, I demon them. Not saying everybody is like that, we have a care. But me I say, especially some of them young people, even some of the elderly people to stay away. That's what me I say. So, be careful my friends. Be careful people out there. Yeah, and them say the festive season, where them celebrate Christmas, which me not really follow up that something against Christmas. That's what me I say. I believe it's a pagan day, but you can celebrate if you want. But be careful my people who you go amongst, who you talk up to. And don't friend nobody for where them out. That's what me I say. Just move normal and humble. You see me? I say if you stay by yourself. That's what I say. Just be careful. Because there's some hypocrite people out there. Whole heap of hypocrite people. Yeah, them there work. Them there are everywhere them there. Everywhere you see them. So be careful my people. That's a warning. You see what I say? Straight.
In God I put my trust. Yo. Enough of them a demon. You know what to do with them.